We're looking at a chart of Friday's trading, December 3rd. Maybe will give us some hint as to what the market will do Monday morning. Now, Monday is a day that market tends to rise, but that's typically not true after a Friday where the market is weak. Now, Friday, we can see the market started right up here, and I have my trading zone set up with the numbers that I calculate and send out to the students in my E-mini trading course each evening for the following day. So what I do is I calculate this trading zone and I send my students these numbers so that they can see on their chart where the market is likely to trade. And we can see that on Friday, and I sent these numbers out Thursday evening to my students. We can see that on Friday, the market did indeed trade within this trading zone. But Friday showed itself to be a weak day. So does that mean that Monday will continue the weakness? Well, I want to point out one thing on this chart that's significant. At the end of the day, just a half an hour before the close, the market rose up from 45.02 to 45.38, a 36-point rise in about a half an hour. Now, if you have taken my trading course, you know that there's something called market symmetry, where the market exhibits a pattern. And oftentimes these patterns occur in legs. Now, this could very well be the first leg of an uptrend on Monday. In other words, this 36-point rise could be followed on Monday. Now, I also want to call to your attention that the market closed here at about 45.38. So that's something that you have to take into account, because where the market closes, if it opens significantly higher or lower than that, the market will open gap up or gap down. So we have to take into account that if indeed this is the first leg of a trend, a 36-point trend, and the market opens somewhere north of the 45.38 close, we could very possibly see a decline to close that gap before the market resumes another approximately 36-point rise on Monday morning. So that's what I can show you in terms of what I see on Friday, December 3rd. And let's see what happens tomorrow morning on Monday, December 6th. Thanks for watching my videos. And if you're, of course, looking for some training on how to trade the S&P E-minis and you would like to receive these numbers each evening to set up your chart so that you know where the market is likely to trade the following day, check out my course at timelessdollar.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.